Continuing on with Issaqueena Falls, I'm going over another little bridge. Oh, it smells so good up here. Too bad we can't do smell-o-vision. That'd be great. Oh, I can see the falls, but I'm trying to get an area where I can capture them well. And there are the Issaqueena Falls. It is quite deep and steep down in there. I know the video does not show it well, but that is quite some waterfall. And if you look out, yes, I believe I am part of the mountains, which is not a far drive from Clemson. But isn't that beautiful? And like I said, it just smells absolutely wonderful, like peat, moss, and winter. That it is just absolutely stunning. And for those who are wondering, it is a really easy walk from the parking area to here. And it is right by the Stump House Tunnel. And I'm going to panoramic view here. And the trail does continue on, and it is a very easy walk for those who are interested. And I believe the trail is wide enough, not only for dogs and families, but you know, if you have walking sticks or things of that nature, I believe you could easily get through the trail. It's pretty even and pretty well maintained.